My name is Vanderlinde, and I'm a postdoc in cosmology at McGill University in Montreal, Canada. I study cosmology, the entire universe on the largest possible scales. So I'm trying to figure out what the universe is made up of, where it came from, where it's going to, and how it's getting there. I try to look at these questions of what's going on in the universe using telescopes of various sorts. Mostly I use microwave observations, that is looking at microwave light from the distant reaches of the universe. And nowadays I'm transitioning into radio. The telescope that I've been working on for the last 4 years, I guess, is at the South Pole, the geographic South Pole. We've creatively called it the South Pole Telescope. It's a microwave dish about 10 meters across, just a big microwave telescope. And we use it to look at the leftover light from the Big Bang, which is now in microwaves. The first time I went down to work on the South Pole Telescope, I stayed for 11 months through the Antarctic winter. You can only come and go for 3 months of the year when it's warm enough there to land planes, so they have to leave someone behind the rest of the year, and that was my job the first year. In the summers, the Antarctic work is just busy and hectic. A lot of people are coming and going every day. There are flights constantly. The sun is up 24/7, so you have a very long work day. Once winter comes around, though, the sun sets, and it's dark 24 hours a day. You're down to just a skeleton crew on station, and it's a much different experience. It's much quieter. It comes down to just hurry up and wait a lot of the time. You're trying to keep the telescope running, you're trying to keep your observations going, and whenever something goes wrong, you immediately have to panic and fix it. The South Pole Telescope is about 1 kilometer away from the station, so anytime I have to go over to it for either to schedule new observations or to fix something that's broken, which is daily, you have to walk 1 kilometer outside. The temperature gets down to about minus 70 Celsius in winter, minus 100 Fahrenheit, and machinery doesn't work in those temperatures, so you're on your own. You basically bundle up and walk 1 kilometer through the dark in the freezing, freezing cold. Heck, when I was your age, I had to walk 1 kilometer to work every day through minus 70 degrees. It was dark all the time. At the South Pole, you're about 1,200 kilometers from the coast, so there's absolutely no wildlife. No penguins to speak of, nothing like that. En route to the South Pole, you get to stop off on the coast of Antarctica, and sometimes you have penguins, seals, other wildlife. But once you get there, it's just a barren field of ice. So I do what I do because I think it's just a fundamental curiosity about our place in the universe. You know, this is looking at all of creation on the largest possible scales. It's just trying to understand how we fit into existence, and that to me is just fascinating.